Hanjin SM.
With the experience of managing a vast fleet of merchant vessels, we provide yacht repair and maintenance service for the yacht owners, as well as tour packages for publics. Starting from Ara Marina, Marina Business Network will be expanded in coming years.
Aim to be a leader in global marine leisure industry. Hanjin SM has launched Hanjin Yacht and People to provide premier yacht management services and yacht rental service. Eco-friendly equipment and our systematic maintenance system help to maintain your assets in the best condition. Our professionals in hull, machinery, and interior will exceed your expectations and manage your yacht to the next level. Moreover, Hanjin SM provides decent yachts rental service and multifarious tour in Gyeongin-Ara Waterway, Korea's first waterway connecting the Han River with the Yellow Sea. Excellent choice that everyone dreams of. The sail of Hanjin SM towards the future shall continue with people who dream of a better world beyond the ocean.